Dear children, the next is a digestion in ruminants. Ruminants means cut chewing animals. I'll be explaining all about it now. The herbivores, the grass eating animals like cow, buffalo, sheep, camel, all these animals they eat the grass. The grass has got a cellulose. It is a very tough carbohydrate present in the cell wall of the grass. We can also eat the grass and live, but it's very difficult to digest. But in ruminants, they have a very special digestive system that I'll explain. They have 4 chambers. They also need, like us, like protein, starch, vitamins and minerals. They have 4 chambers. One is called lumen, next is reticulum, third is omesum, the fourth is absum. The first one, it is a largest storage bag. There only the cow eat the grass and send it to the bag. Then it goes to the reticulum where it has got lot of bacteria, protozoa and fungi that help them to digest. The next reticulum part, it is the ideal place for growth of all these bacteria. Without this bacteria, the herbivores cannot change the cellulose, the tough carbohydrate, into a simple protein and fat starch. Now there, this place is called the cud. 1/3 of this place where they sit all the time and bring back the swallowed grass and chew the grass. Almost out of 24 hours, they will be chewing the food for more than 8 hours. They bring back slowly to the mouth and chew it nicely and send it to the omesum. This is a place where it has become a pulp, that is like a semi-solid material. It is the main work is to strain the semi-solid material into liquid and the solid. Then the liquid and the solid, they separately go to absum. It's like our stomach, where there secretes the strong acids to kill all the bacteria. Once it goes to the intestine, bacteria is not needed because it may the bacteria may cause some problem. That is why strong acids are produced in absum, the bag where there is it's like a stomach bag, and then kill the bacteria and send it to the intestinal part where the absorption is done and it goes to the bloodstream. Now you have understood it goes in order like this. It takes the food first and send it to the first bag and keep it there for some time and bring it back and chew it nicely, send it to the next bag, that is reticulum, then to the omesum, then to the absum, then the waste is send it outside. This is the way the ruminants takes the food. This process is called rumination.